Yes, Massive and Crew, back once again with another video. And today I wanted to discuss something that Mr. Anchovy Drum and Bass said. When you're getting started out, what equipment do you need? And most importantly, if you've got a sampler, if you want to do some, retro stuff, producing with outboard gear, you're going to need some sort of mixer. If you've got the space, back in the day I used to use a Mackie 8 bus, but for now, just for today, we're just going to talk about the essentials. So you're going to need a set of speakers, you're going to need a sound card, you're going to need, obviously you've got a computer if you've been producing as well, and you're going to need some sort of MIDI interface. Now most of the time the sound interface, i.e. sound card, usually has MIDI interface built in. If not, you'd have to buy a separate one, but I do recommend getting one with a MIDI interface. So I'm going to put a link in the description down below of some of the equipment that you could use to get started, to get you on your way. So 1 sound card, 2 speakers, 3 mixer if you're going to use outboard, 4 MIDI, 5 wires, which you can get from proleads.co.uk, that link in the description as well, and you'd have to connect that all up. Now I can do a video on basic setup as well. All you have to do is just comment down below and give the video the thumbs up, and if I get enough likes on it, I will upload a video about setting up the equipment. I hope that gives you kind of an idea into what needs to be done. That's it for now. Take care, God bless, peace.